Good morning, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning, and I love this product, Lysol, but the blue one. What is the first thing that I do when I go to the house? First of all, I use my protections and I start pouring the Lysol and let it sit. I go to all the bathrooms and do that. Just before organizing, before cleaning, before picking up the garbage, before everything. So it will save me some time. In the meantime, if I work with another person, in this case Carlos, he's gonna start doing the laundry and folding. Each house is different. Each client has different kind of needs. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. And Carlos is gonna start doing the laundry. This is all the clothes that he needs to fold, reorganize. There is more in the laundry, I guess. Put it away. After I pour the Lysol in all the toilets, I'm gonna take out all the garbage for the bathrooms, kitchen, laundry, and desk. Pick up old toys from downstairs that belongs to the kid and put it on the stairs. So everything that is already packed, we will put it inside the kids' room. There is one more bathroom. It's a big house, a lot of vacuuming. Sometimes they don't use the shower, but they usually use the toilet. And even though they don't use it, I have to put the product, because when the toilet is not used, sometimes the calcium of the water, because we are in Florida, will damage the bowl. So I just finished to put the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner inside the toilet. And then toys. I'm gonna take out the garbage from all the house and start sanitizing the bathrooms. Checking if there's something that we have to wash in the kitchen. Checking the dishwasher. As I said, each house is different and all the families request different type of shorts. Everything depends of their needs and their budget. This is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. I have to check if there is something in the washer or dryer. It's dry. Okay, this is Fiorella from Any House Cleaning. Thank you. 407-572-4118. Now organize or put away the high heels. Toys. Look for toys. Everything that is toys. Everything that is toys. Or things for the kid. And put it on the stairs. Dog toys. This is the place. Kids. open blinds so we can see better. Look for toys. She's still working on folding. No more toys. Empty. This is new. This is new. This is garbage. He needs to drink this. So we'll put it inside the refrigerator. Garbage. 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 Bullets for the toy, for the Nerf gun. I don't know what is this. Dressing. Go to the pantry. Looking for garbage. No garbage here. Garbage.